My dearest brothers and sisters, I'm Jesse with Living Tree Community Foods. We're located here in Berkeley, California, an intellectual axis of the earth. So many inventions and creations have originated here. A university with more Nobel Prize winners than anywhere else. There's even in the parking lot on the university, there's a special section there that says reserved for Nobel Prize winners, if you can handle that or imagine such a thing. Nowhere else. Anyway, today we're going to be giving praise and thanks by way of a Thanksgiving salad. And it's a way of celebrating the immense fertility of this California earth, and especially the great Central Valley, where most of the almonds, the fruits, and the vegetables are grown, especially during the winter. It was once a great inland sea, bounded to the east by the Sierra Nevada mountains, and bounded to the west by the coastal mountain range. A very, very special place indeed. So let's give praise and thanks, and let us begin, brothers and sisters. Let us begin, as we have so many times before, by making almond milk. We'll put in a cup of spring water. Okay. And then we're going to be adding a heaping tablespoon of our alive organic almond butter, made from almonds grown by a California farming family of 5 generations on the land. Okay. And we'll give this a blend. And voila, it is flashed into a white milk, almond milk, fresher than anything you can buy on any store shelf. So our almond milk. And now to the almond milk, we're going to be adding half a teaspoon of vanilla powder. We're going to be adding some of our Living Tree Vermont maple syrup. And how about some Living Tree Hawaiian native forest honey, made from the land coming from the land where every day is springtime. So let's give that a heaping tablespoon. Hawaiian honey, nothing like it. Okay. And now let's give this a blend. And now, last but not least, we're going to be adding our sesame tahini. The dressing itself is a creamy tahini dressing. So this is our Living Tree tahini, made from sesame seeds grown in Mexico, organically, but of course. So a couple tablespoons of tahini, and there we have it. our creamy tahini blessing. Now, let's get on with the salad. So how about starting with some magnificent California carrots. How about another carrot? And how about some beets? Always so nutritious and vital. So here we go. Okay, so we have our carrots and our beets, and here's our salad bowl, and let's begin with some lettuce. This lettuce is from Full Belly Farm, magnificent farming families. It's actually run by several farming families in the Great Central Valley, maybe an hour and a half from here. Wonderful people. We've been working with them for years. They supply our pomegranates and jujubes, which we've just started offering once again. So here, look at the coloring on this lettuce. Isn't it magnificent? We are so blessed. So let's line the bowl with lettuce. Here we go. And now let's put our veggies into the bed of lettuce. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. So we have our carrots and our beets and our lettuce. And now, of course, we've got to add kale. So why not start with some beautiful red Russian kale, also by Full Belly Farm. Red Russian kale, it's so sweet, so tender, filled with nutrients. People say that kale is one of the healthiest vegetables that one can eat. So, and how about some dinosaur kale? Why not? Here we go. We'll dinosaur kale, and maybe a bit of spinach just harvested. And let's just tear that up. Okay. So there we go, and now let us add some California flame raisins, organic of course. These are of magnificent size and they're so sweet, so chewable. So flame raisins. And now some of our medjool dates, also grown, imagine, also grown in the Great Central Valley, on the southern half, of course. So these are our medjool dates, and let's toss in a handful of these dates. I have pitted and chopped them. And now some persimmons. These are our Living Tree persimmons. Look at the gorgeous orange-red color. So flavorful. So let us add some persimmons. Beautiful. And finally, our Living Tree mango cheeks, dried. And here I've chopped them up beforehand. So let's add some of our mango cheek. So soft and so chewable. And now, the fun part. Let's toss the salad a bit. Here, I'll do it with my hands. It's so much fun. Okay, and now pour on the creamy tahini salad dressing. So, here we have it, an expression of bountifulness, of aliveness, of vitality, especially in these times. Each one of us has to exemplify aliveness. Join a community garden, plant a victory garden, and especially this winter, plant a tree. Plant an apple tree, a pear tree, a plum tree. Plant a tree as an expression of your hope and your faith in this American people who will come through. It is my privilege it's my pleasure to share with you. Let us go forward. Let us create here. Let us create here in this North America an edible garden. An edible garden for the American spirit. We can do it. We have been through so much. We will recreate this North American earth. Thank you. Your comments and suggestions, write them down below, are so much appreciated. And please hit the subscribe button. Thank you. My privilege.